Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with an unboxing of my 1407 planner inserts and a little sticker kit. So I realized this box is designed like a suitcase. So it was funny. It was saran wrapped when I got it. So it says like printed inserts available at 1407Planners.com. Adventure awaits. And then she has like a little stamp here. And then look, there's like a little suitcase handle. And then on the back, it's like done up like a traveling suitcase. So I thought that was kind of fun. It's some interesting packaging anyway, so I wanted to show you guys, because normally I would be like, whatever. Oh, and then look, there's the inside. Thank you for joining us on this month's Traveler's Notebook Adventure. Share your adventure with us, and it's got like hashtags and stuff. And it says, love Natasha and the 1407 team. That's so cool. Okay, so I did order on Black Friday. I woke up super early so I could get 40% off. Yes, I did. I don't know. I just thought it would be a good idea. Okay, so I feel like that's going to touch my mic and cause problems. So I will try not to let it do that. All right, so here's a little card thing. So I guess this is called Fiona. I'm learning. Okay, I'm not a TN girl, but apparently I'm going to be. So this is a red flamingo. That was like, I guess, exclusive to like Black Friday weekend or something. And then there's this cute buffalo plaid pocket. Says 1407 Planners, pretty printed planned. 1407planners.com. Let's see what's in here. What is in here? Oh, there's a Fiona plaid die cut sticker. And then it says, need new covers for your inserts? Check out tulaxi.com. I've never heard of that. It says it's also owned by the 1407 Planners. Okay, did not know that. It says, thank you for your order. We hope that organization hits a new level with these tools. This is just like a thank you. And then I think this is, yeah, it's my receipt. But it doesn't tell me how much I paid for things. It just says quantity. So it's like a shipping packing slip. That's kind of fun. I like the little pocket and everything. That's cool. And then I think that die cut thing was like the freebie for Black Friday. Okay, so, oh, what is this? I didn't order this. It's like a notepad. That's so cute. They're all little like fairy angel wings or something. There's a wolf, fox. I think it's fox. And then a bunny, maybe. And a penguin and a polar bear. That's so cute. It's not sticky notes. It's a notepad. That's adorable. I didn't know I was getting that. Okay, there's a lot more stuff in here than I thought was going to be in here. What is happening? Okay, so move this to the side. These are fun though, aren't they? Let's just have a little party. Okay, what is happening? I did not order that either. All right. Okay, so I got the zipper pouch. Which, do all of the kits that you order come in these zipper pouches? Because that's pretty awesome. And then I didn't order that. I don't know what's happening. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to show you the little kit thing. So it looks like there's a little planner TN charm of a snowflake, which is so cute. And then I ordered this stuff. This is part of the thing. I didn't see that in the sticker kit or the zipper pouch, so I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't know. Okay, here's the die cuts. That's very sticky. Okay, so you've got holly, and oh, these are really thick die cuts. All right, and then there's like the Santa gnome, and then there's some mistletoe, and then there's some more Santa gnomes. So cute. Okay, so there's the die cuts. And then we have little note cards that say, enjoy the little things, and the world changes when it snows. I don't think it's on sticker paper. It's like glossy and kind of soft, but I like it. And then, oh, that's so cute. It says 1407planners.com. Did you just get this the first time you order? I don't know. Okay, so then here is the sticker sheet. And it has important to go, to do, and some flags and checklists, and then more of those stickers. And then I also ordered it because it came with the papers. Okay. So they're like cut down. I don't know what size these are, but this is like a vellum. Okay, and then this is the buffalo plaid. Oh, that one's two-sided. It's got some snowflakes on the back. And then this is like that tweed kind of stuff. And then like some wood grain, like green. And then here's some red. Feels like I don't know what kind of paper. It's not normal paper. And then there's snowflakes, more snowflakes, and green. And then here's the plaid, the tweed, and the red, and the snowflakes again. What it looks like. Oh, and that says gnome winter kit. So maybe it all does come in those little pouches every time. Does it? I don't know. I did think there was a whole kit of like the penguins and polar bears, I think. And I thought it was really cute, but I didn't get it. Okay, well, I'm gonna put everything back in here because I haven't started like planning in my TN yet. So I don't know. Because those are too small to like wrap around. So I don't understand how I'm supposed to use those. I thought they were bigger. I thought they were like 8.5 by 10. Unless they're like 8.5 by 10 and then they cut them down to fit in these pockets. I don't know. But that's cute. And the charm was cute. Okay, so I got 4 of these inserts. Yeah, there's 4. Okay, they're all the same though. So they're white on the outside, I guess, so you can decorate. Oh, they're sitting there too. And then I got the B6 ones. And it says 1407Planners.com, designed, printed, and assembled in the USA. There's like a little cover sheet. The paper is really nice quality. And then I was told this fits Erin Condren size stickers. You can feel the ink. Like the lines of the ink. That's good. And then it's undated. So it's just like stacked columns. Sorry, I wasn't pulling it down far enough. So I'm excited about using this. I'm going to put these to start until I get my new TN from the Planner Society. She gave us these ones in our December box last year. So I was hoping that these were going to fit in here for now is my plan. So I was going to bring that in here and show you guys what I was going to do. So I think I'm not a TN girl, but I'm trying. Okay, so you just do it like that. And that doesn't bother you guys? And then you just stick them all in there like that. I'm just gonna stick them all in there like that. Because there's like 4 straps here, so I guess that's what you do. I don't know. I feel like you guys are all just laughing at me. That's okay. I laugh at me too. Okay, this fuzzy stuff is fun. Yeah, so I got 4, so I would have enough for the whole year. And then I don't know if people really carry around the whole year, or if they just carry around additional inserts and then change this out when they get to that time. I don't know, but I wanted to look at how it looked all together. I mean, there was other inserts. I'm having a time with those. All right, so then that's what all of it looks like together. The TN that we're getting in the January subscription box is only if you signed up in November, by the way. But this one was from last December. Yeah, they fit. Ooh, yes. Okay, excited. Now I'm gonna take the little new TN charm because now I can do TN charms. I have some, I just never know what to put them on because I don't have a TN. But I guess you just put them on this elastic. Is that how you're supposed to do it? Or are you supposed to put it on the little side edge here? Am I supposed to hook it on that? Or am I supposed to hook it on here? I don't really know. I don't know. But I'm excited to create like tabs and things. Like for the months or weeks or whatever. I don't know. Because I figured I would block off like what month is like this section. These weeks are January or whatever it is. So I thought that would be fun. But I'm curious. I want to find an Erin Condren size sticker. Ooh, Britannia. Okay, so I just want to check it. Make sure it's right because that was my problem before. Yes, the width is perfect. Okay, great. All right, so Erin Condren sticker kits will fit in here. I'm excited to try that out. So I hope you guys will join me on my TN journey. This is basically going to become my PR planner because I'm dropping the recollections. I'm dropping the mini happy planner, but I'm putting my memory planning in my happy planner monthly spread. So that's how I'm working that out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video and please subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.